Hey, grade 2, welcome to our last social studies activity on Seesaw. Hey, yay. Today, it's mainly about reflection. We have 3 slides to take care of and really make sure that we've finished our book on Book Creator because all your teachers want to grab all of those books, put them all together to make one big book of our economics project so we can share that out to you so we can see all those wonderful ideas, services, and goods. Wonderful. We've already seen a lot of them and they all look great. I just want to go back. Let's check out, look at all of these things that we have done for economics. We started with our Padlet, doing what are needs and what are wants. And you guys added to the Padlet, we connected them. Then we learned about goods. We've learned about, we organized needs and wants. Is this phone a need or is it a want? And you explained it. Then we learned about Venn diagrams, how things make us happy in life. Things cost money. Some of those intertwine and are both cost money and make a happy life. Then we learned about what are goods, what are services. We organized those. We came up with a questionnaire and asked our families about things they want and need in the house, and then started thinking, I could provide this. Then we had a long assignment organizing everything. What is it that I want to provide? How do I do it? What do I charge? When do I do it? When will I finish? Lots of stuff. And then we started our books. Wow, we've done a lot for economics. So today's lesson, first thing is watch this video. The second thing is add response. So if I'm gonna read all these first and then we can start it. So I'm just gonna hit add response. So here we go. Add response. I'm Mr. Sample Student because all the directions are actually here. So if I finished my project in Book Creator, all I have to do is check this off. You could use a shape, you could color it in, whatever you want. I'm just going to put a triangle. I finished my book in Book Creator because your teachers need to know if you're finished. Because once everybody's finished, we're going to put them all together. So here is 2.1's. Oh, scary, 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 scary. I don't know if I'd want to go eat at the Meg when there's a scary shark, or maybe I do because I am hungry. So we've got 22 books here, but I don't know if they're all finished. I don't know if you're adding more details to your projects. That's why I need to know and why your teacher needs to know if you are finished. If you're finished, make sure that there is some check, something that we can see, they're done. Our second part of what to do today. Reflect on your economics project. Slide number 2. Economics needs and wants reflection. Answer these questions, or if you have your own answers and questions, you can either type them, you can talk about it, you can add a video. But number 1, what was your most memorable part of this unit? Number 2, what did you not know at the start, but that you now know at the end? What has changed? What have you learned? Number 3, what was the most difficult part of this unit? Was it the vocabulary? Was it actually starting your good and service? What was the most difficult part? Number 4, what are you most proud of about this unit? It could be what it actually turned into. The bakery, the store, the workshop, the restaurant. What are you most proud of? And the one on the bottom that I cannot see exactly, what was your favorite part of this unit? So give us all of your examples, all of your ideas, all your answers here. If you have more to add, go for it. Add it. Text, microphone, video. Okay? Last one. This one isn't really about economics so much. This is about all of our science and social studies. I just want to know because I helped create many of these and coordinated with your teachers. So I would like to know, how could I even teach these things better next year? How could the other second grade teachers be better at teaching next year? So to remind you, these are all the science and social studies units that we've done. Maps and globes, processes that change the earth. Remember the landforms, disasters, slow and fast changes. Plants, how we planted our own plants. Many did not grow, but we still learned about them. And pollination. Solids, liquids, and gases, which we started at school, finished online learning. And economics, which we've done all through online learning. You can answer these questions, or you can just add any information that you have. But these questions are, what was your favorite unit and why? If I wanted to, I could even grab this and say plants. And now I can text and say why plants was my favorite. Okay? Just make sure you give us a why. Don't just tell us one and no explanation. I need to know, and your teachers need to know, why is it that you like these. Number 2, how will you continue learning about these topics outside of school? Are you inspired to learn more about plants? Have you started growing plants on your own? Do you want to do more experiments like in solids, liquids, and gases? Do you want to continue creating? Do you want to continue creating services and goods at home? Do you want to learn more about natural disasters, slow and fast changes? And are you inspired to be the map taker, to create maps, to help with directions with your family? How will you continue outside of school? Number 3, explain a memorable activity or activities from the year. What's something you really remember that you loved? And number 4, how can we, the teachers, make one or more of these units even better next year? How can I teach next year's class? How could your teachers teach next year's class even better? What could we do? All right, that's it. We just have the reflection. We have this to finish. Make sure you get your book done so your teachers can make a really big book and share it with you. They are absolutely beautiful and amazing. Great job. Let's see, let's go all the way. Great job. I hope you guys enjoyed science and social studies in class and through distance learning. Let us know what you think. Reflect on your learning, think about it, share it. See you guys. How do I turn this off? How do I do it? There we go. Bye-bye.